this lesson, we are going to learn about Open Redirection Host Header attack. In Open Redirection Host Header attack, attacker changes host of particular domain and try to redirect your URL to that particular domain. This is a commonly found vulnerability in most of the websites, and there are very low chances of getting bounty for this. But if you are lucky enough, then you can simply get bounty of $50 to $80. You can test this vulnerability on pages where status code is like 2xx or 3xx. Means if you are getting status code 200, 201, 202, 203, likewise 300, 301, 302, 303. So there are chances of getting Open Redirection Host Header attack. So let's try this attack on one of my website. This is my website infinitydigitech.com. So we are going to try host header attack here. So for this we need to open burp suite, then go to proxy, turn on the interception, then again go to site and refresh it. So we got here interception request. Just right click here and scan, click on crawl and OK. So it will scan all my site and all pages. So here we can find my site. It is infinitydigitech.com. So here are all my pages. Here status code of pages are 200, 302 and many more. So just click on anything and right click and send it to repeater. Here I am clicking on go. So here our status code is 200 and it is loading. Now replace host from infinitydigitech.com to bing.com and then click on go. It is showing 403 forbidden, means we are not getting redirected to bing.com. So we can find it from right clicking there and show response in browser, copy that response and paste it in new tab. So here we can see it is showing 403 forbidden error, means this page is not vulnerable for open redirection attack from this payload. So our first payload was changing host from infinitydigitech.com to bing.com. So it was our first payload. Now we will try second payload. So we have to add host as bing.com. Thereafter we can add new line where x hyphen forwarded hyphen host colon infinitydigitech.com. So simply copy this and add here in request tab and click on go. If it get redirected to bing.com, then our site is vulnerable. It is also showing 403 forbidden error, means this payload is also not working for this site. So we can try third method to changing host to infinitydigitech.com again and x forwarded host to bing.com. Click on go and it is showing successful request, means it is showing 200 status code. So just copy this payload x forwarded host bing.com and paste it here. So these are our three payloads. It is showing 200, but I don't think so that it is redirecting to bing.com. We can check it by show responses browser in browser, copy it and paste it. Yes, it is not redirecting to bing.com. So this site is not vulnerable for open redirection host header attack. So likewise we can try this on multiple pages. So just try it on another page. Yes, this page have status code 302. So just send it to repeater and change host from infinitydigitech.com to bing.com and click on go. It is showing 404 not found. Just show response in browser, copy and paste it. Yes, it is not getting redirected to bing.com. So this page is also not vulnerable for open redirection host header attack. This is how we can perform open redirection host header attack by using these three payloads.